Inspirational quote of the day. Again, you can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. Steve Jobs. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Thank you for watching. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.